and tries as hard as she can, do anything just so she can fit in. She wants her friends so bad, she'll do whatever they tell her. To make them smile, she would misbehave, but all the while they would laugh in her face. She begins to cry because she thought that they liked her. Even though you feel all alone, it can't rain every day, it don't rain forever. Your sunshine may be gone, I know. It can't rain every day, it don't rain forever. Hard every day of his life for his son on the way and his beautiful wife, but he got a call from the job, they got something to tell him. They laid him off, now he's out in the street. He's got to do what it takes so his family can eat. Can't even look at his wife because he feels like he felt them. Even though you feel all alone, it can't rain every day, it don't rain forever. Your sunshine may be gone, I know. It can't rain every day, it don't rain forever. It can't rain, it can't rain forever. It don't rain, it don't rain forever. Rain down, rain down. So let it rain down, rain down, rain down, rain down on me. A young lady's been lost for a while, but that's okay now, she's having a child. She finally got what she wants, she's got someone who loves her. But this morning she woke up in pain. Nobody had to tell her, cause she knew right away. So she started to cry because she won't be a mother. Even though you feel all alone, it can't rain every day, it don't rain forever. Your sunshine may be gone, I know. It can't rain every day, it don't rain forever. It can't rain, it can't rain forever. It don't rain, it don't rain forever. Rain down, rain down, rain down, rain down on me. Rain down, rain down, rain down.
That's all we got for you folks.
All right, thank you. Thank you guys for making us feel comfortable.
Yeah.
That's a one-of-a-kind P.O.D. show right there.
Welcome back, Marco.
Yeah.